Alright, just going to do a quick tutorial here on making a helicopter or flying machine in the game Besiege. It can be a bit tough because they can be a bit wonky, but basically you're just going to build a cube like this to start with two wide wood beams, and then you're going to do one down each so it has something to rest on. That way you don't have any propellers hitting the ground, and it gives enough space for some of the propellers. And then essentially what you're going to do is you're just going to add them all around on the top, evenly spaced out on every one you can. And then you're going to add them one on the back and one on each side, and then the front as well. And then the final thing you need to do is you need to add some underneath as well. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to do that so you can pitch it left, right, back, forward, because otherwise it just kind of moves around. Now the only thing this can't really do is go straight left and straight right and kind of pitch and turn around, but it wouldn't be that hard to kind of configure it to do that. But this is kind of a compact one that's pretty stable. I basically add these wings on there because they get a bit wonky if you don't. But basically all you got to do is you got to rebind each one. So the back ones and the one right underneath it, you'll bind those together. I do mine similar to a WASD, W-A-S-D, but I do I-J-K-L. And so I use that, and that's right next to O, so that powers the top ones, and then you kind of feather the top ones. You feather it so that you don't get too high or anything like that, to kind of hover and maintain a height. And then if you have those bound together for the front, back, left, right, it'll help pitch it around. So it makes it much more stable than some other ones, and you can kind of add stuff on from here or use this as kind of a base configuration. But you can see it's not too hard to fly, and as far as flying things go in this game, it's pretty stable. So it's pretty easy to fly around, hit your target, and go exactly where you want to. So hope that helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will try to help out as best I can. This is actually just kind of the first design I came up with in the game. So alright, thanks, and have a great day.